This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Audi A5 key battery. First, recognize the signs of a weak battery, such as needing to be very close to your car for the remote to work. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are widely available at most stores. The good news is, you won't need any specialized tools, making this a straightforward do-it-yourself project that takes just a few minutes. The first step is to remove the emergency key. Look for a small button, usually on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button down firmly, and the metal emergency key will slide right out. Once removed, place this key somewhere safe where it won't get lost. This action reveals the next access point for opening the key fob and getting to the battery compartment. Now, let's replace the battery. Depending on your specific key fob design, you'll either find a small seam to gently pry open the two halves or a small tab to press and slide out a battery tray. Use your fingernail or a small, flat object to carefully open it. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, then insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the metal emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it's fully seated. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. You will not need to reprogram your key after this simple battery change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.